Alright guys, she came in with a long hair here, just one flat cut, She did not have any color, and we discussed about her features. And look at this gorgeous transformation. And I know you were looking at the mirror earlier. What do you think?
I love it.
What do you like about it?
The natural, the color, the face, the shape.
I already did cut hair, but I'm just fine tuning everything because making sure the hair follows her silhouette. And we move around just so that we can see this. For her silhouette, very important, so that she has a 2-year-old baby, going to be 3. We want a natural looking hair. That way, I mean, in a sense that easy, so she doesn't have to worry about anything. And when she does go to dinner or see a friend or daycare or maybe look this way, or dancing school, class, whatever she is going about to do, everything is perfect for her, is making it easier. She doesn't have to put a lot of makeup on because she already has a beautiful features, but this color right here, softer. I did an oil lightener. It was an oil lightener when I came in, did a glaze over it with some beige and blonde combination to complement her skin tone, her eyebrow, color of her eyes, and her jaw, cheek, and bone structure. This perfect flow with her silhouette. That is the important key points of an incredible discovery of an individual's features, because you go get your hair done, you pay for it, but if the end result is not to your satisfaction, you probably have no idea what the end result should be. You just look at the certain things and that's about it. But that's not what I do. I look at the whole thing about the hair. Look at this, perfect. From root to the tip, it's all balanced color, guys. Look at this. And naturally blended. There's nothing, no bumpiness on the color, or it's a perfect end result. That's what's up. She has very fine hair, and the color, it's not, I did not apply the color so that I can dehydrate, dry, and destroy the structure of her hair. I applied the color to become a more or part of her hair and bring sheen, luster, and densify her hair, give density. So when she goes in and she does hot ponytail, the color looks perfectly blended. Look at this, sun-kissed shades of caramel and soft tones. I'm not going to say blonde, but this is more caramel beige, some almond, some walnut in here. Even there's some hazelnut shades. It's very warm. You can have the most expensive dress, you can have the most expensive jewelry, the watch and all, but the most important thing is the crown, which you don't take off. Everything you put on, you take off. Crown, you don't. Therefore, it's very important who you trust your crown with. That is the most important thing. Because now that she's going to go home and she's going to enjoy this hair color and haircut for a long time. Not a short time, long time. And when she is about to get retouched, I already created the foundation. And built with the gentlemen, we don't make mistakes. We make discoveries. I've been doing hair over 30, 36, 37 years. Started coloring since I was a kid. Used to work with the colors. Not on the hair, but my hands were in the colors. So I love nature. That's why you always see me in the nature, because nature speaks to me from a totally different perspective of life. There's inspiration, there's motivation, there's love. There's so much in the nature that we miss out on life, because a lot of times I see people unemployed, walk around with their phone. They don't even see what's going on. That's why a lot of people are having problems, accidents. But this is the beautiful finish at Mario's Hair Designers, Johns Creek, Georgia. This gorgeous lady, and I was going to say glad to be on the blue, but it means I love you. And how do you say beautiful in Russian?
Красиво.
Красиво. That is a very beautiful.
Очень красиво.
Очень красиво. Over here. And I want you to shake your hair for me, my dear. Thank you. Yeah. Can you shake it for me? Beautiful. What does очень приятно means? Alrighty, come see us. We make you look like a superstar. I think she looks like the just walked out of a movie set. I think it remind me of Witherspoon. What's her name? Witherspoon? Something like that. Yes, Reese. Yes.